Imagine a dark ocean, seemingly lifeless, suddenly erupting in a symphony of light. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a real spectacle that happens every day on this very planet. Welcome to the world of bioluminescent plankton, the unseen light of the ocean. Now you might be thinking, what on earth is bioluminescence? Well, let me illuminate. Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by a living organism. It's the same phenomenon that makes fireflies glow and fungi shimmer. But in the case of plankton, this light show happens underwater and on a grand scale. These tiny creatures, invisible to the naked eye, are the artists behind this natural marine spectacle. The light they emit is their way of communicating, defending, and attracting, making them the ultimate multitaskers of the deep sea. But let's rewind a bit, shall we? The story of bioluminescent plankton starts centuries ago. Sailors of yore, traversing the dark, expansive oceans, would often witness strange, glowing phenomena. The ocean's surface, pitch black one moment, would suddenly transform into a shimmering carpet of light. These early sightings sparked a myriad of myths and legends. Some believed they were seeing the work of sea ghosts, lighting the way to the underworld. Others thought they were witnessing the manifestation of their gods, a divine spectacle to either guide or warn them. The truth, as we now know, is far less mythical, but no less magical. These shimmering lights were not the work of sea ghosts or divine beings, but tiny organisms, plankton, with a light of their own. Each flash, each glimmer, is a single plankton, illuminating the ocean with its tiny but significant light. So the next time you find yourself staring at a dark, seemingly lifeless ocean, remember the unseen light beneath the surface. Remember the tiny plankton painting the ocean with their bioluminescent glow. Who would have thought that the ocean's shimmering lights were not the work of sea ghosts, but tiny organisms with a light of their own? In the late 17th century, the world got its first scientific glimpse of these glowing wonders. The tale of this discovery begins with an English gentleman named Robert Hooke. A scientist of many interests, Hooke was captivated by the natural world, and in his extensive studies, he stumbled upon something extraordinary. While examining a specimen of what he referred to as seawater, Hooke noticed tiny specks of light that would flash brilliantly and then just as quickly disappear. Intrigued, he decided to delve deeper. He found that these tiny, glittering organisms were not only fascinating, but also full of scientific potential. He had discovered bioluminescent plankton. Now let's take a moment to understand bioluminescence. In simple terms, it's a process that allows certain organisms to produce light through a chemical reaction. This reaction occurs when a substance called luciferin reacts with oxygen, resulting in the emission of light. Fascinating, isn't it? As you can imagine, studying these microorganisms back in the late 17th century was no easy task. The equipment was rudimentary, and the understanding of marine biology was still in its infancy. But Hooke, with his insatiable curiosity and scientific acumen, persevered. He used his newly invented microscope to observe these tiny glowing organisms more closely. He meticulously documented his findings, drawing elaborate sketches in his notebook. Despite the challenges, Hooke's pioneering research laid the groundwork for future studies on bioluminescent plankton. His work marked the beginning of a new chapter in marine biology. It opened up a whole new world of possibilities, igniting a spark of curiosity that has burned brightly in the hearts of scientists ever since. The discovery of bioluminescent plankton by Robert Hooke not only shed light on a previously unknown aspect of our oceans, but also illuminated the path for future explorations of this mysterious and captivating phenomenon. The world was beginning to see the light, quite literally, from these tiny marine marvels. As science advanced, so did our understanding of these glowing creatures. In the 19th century, bioluminescent plankton were considered a mere curiosity. However, the scientific community's interest was sparked by the pioneering work of zoologist Johann F.W. Herbst, who first documented the luminescent properties of these marine microorganisms in 1872. Herbst's research paved the way for a deeper exploration of the world of bioluminescence, propelling other scientists to dive into the glowing mysteries of the sea. Fast forward to the 20th century and we find ourselves in the era of Sir Alister Hardy, a marine biologist who revolutionized our understanding of the role of bioluminescent plankton in marine ecosystems. Hardy discovered that these tiny creatures were not merely the ocean's nightlights, but key players in the marine food chain. His research revealed that plankton, specifically bioluminescent ones, form the base of the ocean's food web, providing sustenance for a myriad of marine species from tiny krill to the massive blue whale. But the mysteries of bioluminescent plankton didn't end there. In the late 20th century, scientists uncovered an intriguing defense mechanism used by these marine marvels. When threatened, these plankton emit a burst of light, startling potential predators and buying the plankton precious seconds to escape. This dazzling display of light not only captivates our human imagination, but also serves as a survival tactic in the challenging environment of the ocean depths. So, as we navigated through the centuries, our understanding of these tiny, glowing entities evolved. From a mere curiosity in the 19th century to a vital part of the marine food chain, and then to a creature with a unique survival strategy, bioluminescent plankton have proven that they are more than just pretty lights in the ocean. From a sailor's myth to a biological wonder, bioluminescent plankton were illuminating more than just the ocean. Today, these tiny light bulbs of the sea are helping to unlock even greater secrets. In the grand scheme of things, these minuscule glowing organisms are proving to be of cosmic importance. They're not merely a spectacle for the night swimmers or a reason for the oceans to shimmer under a moonless sky. No, their light is leading us to revelations that may forever change our understanding of the world. Recent research has unearthed fascinating insights about these bioluminescent plankton. They are not just passive drifters in the ocean currents. Instead, they play a vital role in our planet's health. Their bioluminescence, in fact, is now seen as a key indicator of ocean health. Scientists are using the intensity and distribution of their glow to monitor changes in sea temperature and nutrient levels, a beacon in the battle against climate change. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. These twinkling marine creatures are also helping us understand the profound depths of the ocean. Their light provides a spectral window into the abyss, revealing patterns of ocean circulation and biodiversity that were previously hidden in the dark. The potential applications of bioluminescent plankton extend even further, reaching into the realm of medical research. Scientists are studying their unique light-producing chemicals with the hope of developing new imaging techniques. Imagine a future where the glow of plankton could help us illuminate the inner workings of our bodies, aiding in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. So, the next time you see a wave crash onto the shore, leaving behind a trail of sparkling light, remember that it's more than just a beautiful sight. It's a testament to the incredible power and potential of nature. These tiny organisms, with their ethereal glow, are not only lighting up our oceans, but also paving the way for scientific breakthroughs. The glow of bioluminescent plankton continues to guide us towards new discoveries. From ancient mariners' tales to cutting-edge research, the journey of bioluminescent plankton is truly unbelievable. Now, as we find ourselves immersed in the radiant glow of knowledge, let's take a moment to reflect on the astounding facts we've uncovered about these microscopic light-bearers. Firstly, who would have thought that the eerie, ethereal glow we associate with otherworldly phenomena actually stems from the humble plankton? These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, hold the power to illuminate the ocean's depths with their dazzling light show. It's a spectacle that has inspired awe and wonder for centuries, and continues to do so today. But the bioluminescent plankton's light is more than just a beautiful display. It serves a crucial role in their survival. The light acts as a defense mechanism, startling predators and giving the plankton a chance to escape. This ingenious adaptation is a testament to the resilience and resourcefulness of life on Earth. Furthermore, the bioluminescent plankton play a vital part in our planet's ecosystem. They form the basis of the oceanic food chain, serving as a crucial food source for a wide range of marine creatures. Without them, life in the ocean as we know it would simply not exist. That's a pretty big responsibility for such a small organism, wouldn't you agree? Then there's the role of bioluminescent plankton in scientific research. Their unique light-emitting properties have opened up new avenues in biotechnology, from medical imaging to environmental monitoring. It's amazing how something so small can have such a profound impact on our understanding of the world. As we conclude our journey, let's marvel at the unbelievable reality of bioluminescent plankton. These tiny creatures with their radiant glow remind us of the beauty, complexity, and interconnectedness of life on Earth. They are a shining example of nature's ingenuity, resilience, and sheer beauty. And remember, in the depths of the ocean, even the smallest creatures can shed light on the greatest mysteries.